Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll be talking about accessing object properties with dot notation. There are two ways to access the properties of an object: the dot notation and the bracket notation, similar to an array. Dot notation is what you use when you know the name of the property you're trying to access ahead of time. Here is an example for dot notation. So here we have variable myObject, and it is having it is an object, so it is having two properties, 1 and 2, and is having different strings. So if you want to access val1, if you want to get this val1, we can just access it from myObject. So it will be myObject dot prop1. So this is the way how we are accessing values using this dot sign. So prop1 val would have value of a string val1, and prop2 val would have a value of the string val2. So in this challenge, we need to read in the property values of test object using the dot notation. Set the variable hat value equal to object's property hat, and set the variable shirt value equal to object's property shirt. So it's nothing but we are just accessing this hat value to be a hat. So we can just put a dot and then write hat, and similarly in this case it is shirt, so dot shirt. So to just check it again, so if you want the value of hat value, so we are getting ball cap, so it is working. So the objective of this was to find the value or to access the value of hat. So this is the way we are doing that. And if you want the value of shirt value, we just need to write shirt, so we'll get jersey. So I think it is working now. So we have completed the test, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.